Tēnā koutou katoa. Ko Ngāti Porou te iwi, ko Charles Goldsmith tōku ingoa.
Tēnā koutou katoa. Ko te whānau apa nui te iwi, ko tēnei a rātewa tōku ingoa. Nō reira tēnā koe, tēnā koutou, o tira tēnā tātou katoa.
Nau mai, welcome to part 2 of our Introduction to Taxes for Trusts.
This kauhau provides information about the Māori Authority Account and making distributions to your members, as well as how to record this.
He aha tā tātou e matapaka here. What we will cover. In this video, we will cover topics such as being a Māori authority, the credit account, distribution statements, and our online services tools which are available to you. The Kaitakawaenga Māori service. Before we start, let's talk about how we can support you in your trust. Kaitakawaenga Māori are available across the motu. We're here to support you so that you have the tools to self-manage your taxes. As part of this service, we can hold hui at a place and time that suits you, whether that be your whare or ours.
Before you start, you will need to complete some application forms. Kaitakawaenga Māori can guide you through the application process at your pace. We can even guide you on how to register your trust for MyIR, our secure online service.
Puka kōwhiri. Election form. If your organisation has decided to become a Māori Authority, you will first need to complete an IR 483 Māori Authority election form. This can be completed at the same time as the IRD number application if this decision was previously made. You will need to provide your organisation's details, such as the IRD number, name, and contact details. On this form, you will also need to select the date at which you wish to become a Māori Authority. There are rules to consider when making a late election, so please ensure you have reviewed the information on our website first, www.ird.govt.nz/Māori. Look for the link to Māori Authorities.
When completing the election form, ensure you select the option that best reflects your organisation. Be sure to include the trust deed as well as the court order if it is not already held by Inland Revenue. You can download a form from our website. In our homepage's search bar, search IR483. Click on Elect to become a Māori Authority. Complete the form and add a copy of your supporting documents. Once done, post the form to PO Box 39090, Wellington Mail Centre, Lower Hutt 5045.
Moni whiwhi manatu Māori. Māori Authority Income Tax. Trusts under the Māori Authority tax regime complete an IR8 income tax return at the end of the tax year.
If you make distributions, you will also need to file an annual IR8J. This is the Māori Authority Credit Account return. The tax rate for a Māori Authority is 17.5%. Māori Authority distributions are taxable income to the receiving member. The member will get a tax credit for the amount of Māori Authority credits attached to the distribution. Depending on the member's personal tax position, this may lead to further tax to pay. If you choose not to attach credits, members will be required to pay the tax on the distribution themselves.
All Māori authorities maintaining a MACA and making distributions must provide their members with a distribution statement. This statement tells your members about the distributions they receive. If needed, they can add this information to their personal tax returns or auto-calculation assessments. MACA, Māori Authority Credit Account. Most Māori authorities need to set up a Māori Authority Credit Account, or MACA, and file an IR8J return. The MACA account shows the opening balance, credit or debit entries, and the closing balance. The IR8J acts as a running balance of the tax payments made, less any tax refunded or Māori Authority credits attached to distributions made. It also records Māori Authority activity from 1 April to 31 March, regardless of the authority's balance date.
The balance of your IR8J is the amount of Māori Authority credits available to attach to distributions paid out to your members. The maximum credit amount you can attach to a dividend is $17.50 to every $82.50 of dividends. Māori authorities that do not need a MACA are those whose rules do not allow it to distribute its income or property to members. For example, a registered charity that only get exempt income within a wholly owned group, except for certain types of dividends.
Pūrongo Tuari, Distribution Statement. There are new reporting requirements for Māori authorities who make distributions to their members. From 1 April 2020, when making distributions, you will need to file the Resident Withholding Tax returns. These are known as RWT returns. This return must show the amount of taxable distribution paid, the amount of Māori Authority credits attached, and any RWT withheld for each member. The RWT returns must be filed electronically unless you have an exemption. The filing of the RWT return and payment of RWT is due by the 20th of the month following the month in which the taxable distribution was made. You will also need to provide the IRD number, date of birth, and contact details for each member. Etahi atu kawenga Taake. Other tax responsibilities.
We have a range of payment options available. You can also pay by using a barcode that you can take to your local Westpac bank. This barcode will have your IRD number and bill details. If your statement does not have a barcode, you can create one on our website. On our homepage, type barcode in the search bar. Click on the Paying at Westpac page and follow the instructions listed there. Contact us if you are unable to pay and we can explore options. One option you can do is set up an arrangement via MyIR. If you do this before the due date, this may reduce the penalties charged.
Ngā rātonga tui hono haumaru. Secure Online Services. MyIR is our secure online service. It's available 24/7 and in real time. We encourage whānau to register for MyIR because you can file income tax, GST and employer returns, send secure messages, make online payments, update your entity's details and see what information Inland Revenue holds in the account. You can also register more than one user on the account. To learn more about how we can help your whānau or Māori organisation, visit ird.govt.nz/Māori. Ngā karere nui o tēnei rā, today's key messages. Here are a few reminders from today's video.
Our Kaitakawaenga Māori are here to help you and your whānau.
Remember to keep Inland Revenue updated with any changes to your organisation, whether that be trustees or executive office holders.
We can help you determine taxable and non-taxable income.
Your records can be in either Te Reo Māori or English. A few exceptions apply, as we mentioned in our last video.
Records need to be kept for at least 7 years, even if the trust winds up. You can book a visit with one of our Kaitakawaenga Māori. On our website, type advisory in the search bar, select your location, and follow the steps to complete your request.
If you need further help, you can contact your tax agent, visit our website on www.ird.govt.nz/Māori, or can contact your local Kaitakawaenga Māori.
Kau e wari, kai konei mātou ki te awhina i a koutou. Nō reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa.